Hey, to enable Android phone notifications on your Redmi Watch 4, so all you have to do is just to be simply connected with your watch and your smartphone, and after this you will have to actually open the Mi Fitness application, select the device, and then scroll down and go into the app notifications. Then from this you can actually quickly synchronize all notifications by clicking right here, and now from your phone on your watch you will actually receive all notifications just right here. But if for some reason there's like some apps that you don't want to get notifications on your watch, you will have to unselect this switcher, then go into the custom notifications, and now pick any application that you want to get on your watch. So let's say that I want to get notifications from my Gmail, messages, and maybe from Spotify. Then I can click done, and that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.